Now let's talk about items. An item represents a device that can be located within the range of a gateway. Items can be described through a set of metadata entries and custom properties, so let's create one. Let's click Add Item. For the example, let's say that we want to track metal pieces within a factory. So the alias of our item will be metal piece. The tracking ID corresponds to the unique ID or MAC address of the BLE attached to that metal piece. Then type, it's going to be a contact diode smart beacon. And for category, we can either go with person, package, or other. I'll select other. Additionally, we can also give our items user-defined properties. So let's click on Add Property, and we need to give our property a name and then a value. We can keep adding properties to match any criteria that we want to specify for this metal piece. So let's add one more and save our item. Items are useful to filter the information on the location engine. Remember how we talked about filtering items on the analytics section? Let's see how they work. So let's go back to Places, select our venue, and then click Analytics. Here, both Connections and Timeline allow for filters to be used. So if we go to Connections and enter on the Filter Items the alias of the item we just created and hit Search, the location engine will return only the information about that specific beacon. We can do the same in Timeline. And here we will only see the information about that specific item. We can add more items if needed, so that we can see only the information about those that we want to.